Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's message is simple. We can learn English from home and you can start right now. No expensive courses, no travel, no perfect environment, just you, your motivation and your commitment. Let me tell you something important. You don't need the perfect place to learn English. You don't need 5 hours a day. You don't even need to feel confident. All you need is a decision. A decision that says every day I will learn something new, even if it's just one new word, even if it's just a 5-minute lesson, even if yesterday you failed. Because progress is not about perfection, it's about consistency. Let me tell you a story about Sarah. Sarah is a 25-year-old woman who lives in a small apartment in the city. She works part-time at a bookstore, but her dream is to travel to different countries and speak English confidently. However, she always felt shy speaking English outside. One day she decided I will learn English at home every day. She bought a notebook, a small whiteboard, and colorful markers. She created a study corner next to her window. Every morning, she sat there with a cup of tea, ready to learn. Sarah started a new routine. She woke up at 7:30 a.m., opened the window, and said out loud, "Good morning, English." Then she spent 20 minutes reading simple English stories. She underlined words she didn't know and looked them up later. After reading, she practiced speaking. She stood in front of a mirror and said, "My name is Sarah. I want to improve my English. I can learn every day." At first, her voice was quiet, but each day she became more confident. In the afternoon, Sarah watched English lessons on YouTube. She liked one channel that used slow, clear English. The teacher always said, "Repeat after me." And Sarah repeated everything. One day the lesson was about daily routines. Sarah paused the video many times to write notes. Wake up, get dressed, have breakfast, go to work, come home. She practiced making sentences. I wake up at 7:30. I get dressed quickly. I come home at 5 p.m. Sarah felt proud. She realized she could say more things in English than before. Sarah had a friend named Mia who lived in another city. They used to talk in their native language, but one day Sarah asked, "Can we practice English together online?" Mia agreed. Every evening at 8 p.m., they had a 15-minute English conversation on video call. At first, their conversations were simple. "Mia, how was your day?" "Sarah, it was good. I studied English." "Mia, what did you learn?" "Sarah, new words and sentences." Soon they started talking about work, food, hobbies, and even dreams. Their English improved together. One afternoon, Sarah tried to watch an English movie without subtitles. She understood a few words, but most of it was difficult. She felt frustrated and thought, "Maybe I am not improving." But she did not give up. She decided to watch only 10 minutes every day slowly. She paused, repeated words, and wrote down short expressions. After a week, those 10 minutes felt easier. After a month, she could understand half of the movie. Sarah realized something important. Learning is slow, but small steps make big progress. One evening, Sarah received an email from her bookstore boss. A tourist had come in earlier and needed help finding English books. The boss wrote, "Next time, maybe you can help them." Sarah felt nervous but excited. The next day, She saw the same tourist in the store. She took a deep breath and said, "Hello, can I help you find something?" The tourist smiled. They spoke for 3 minutes in simple English. Sarah understood almost everything. After the tourist left, Sarah whispered to herself, "I did it! I really did it!" Because of her progress, Sarah made a new goal. In 1 year, I will travel to an English speaking country. She added 10 more minutes to her daily routine. She read more stories, listened to podcasts, and practiced speaking with Mia every night. Every week, she noticed small improvements. She could think faster in English. She made fewer mistakes. She felt more confident speaking. Sarah knew she still had a long way to go, but she believed in herself. 1 year later, Sarah booked a plane ticket to London. She looked at her study corner, the whiteboard, the notebook full of words, the window where she said, "Good morning, English." She smiled. All of that learning at home brought her to this moment. On the day of her flight, she told Mia, "Thank you for helping me. I am ready." And as she sat on the plane, she whispered, "This is just the beginning." So today make a promise to yourself. I will learn English and I will not give up. Your future self is already thanking you. Your confidence is already growing. Your success is already on the way. You are not just learning English, you are transforming your life. So stay motivated, stay focused, and remember great things start at home and they start with you.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.